This clip comes from one of my viewers and he's a regular contributor to my channel, so big thanks to John for sending this one in. John drives a van and he's turning right at this junction. Already he's positioned over the centre line, and the reason for this is so he can get enough turn on to the left to then position his vehicle at a right angle to the give way. What this does, it gives us the best possible view both to the left and to the right. If you didn't do this, you wouldn't be able to see anything from the left hand side through the side of the van. This is pretty common knowledge for anyone who drives a bigger vehicle, but if you've never driven anything bigger than your car, would you have done this? Let me know what you think in the comments.